Hello and welcome back. This is Azharul Rafy once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote your affiliate links through blogging without owning a blog. So first of all, let me show you how much I have earned from Fiverr affiliate program last month, and then I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of how you can promote your affiliate links without owning a blog, but through blogging. So here you go, I'm on my computer screen, and as you can see, this is the first day of March, and if I reload this page, you can see the latest stats, which is I have generated 2 clicks and 2 clicks here. Those were unique clicks, and I have got 1 registration, 0 commissions. But let me take you to my, let's say, the previous month, which is going to be the February 1st to February 29th. So if I click on update, you can see by February, I have earned $720 from Fiverr affiliate program, and as of now, I have got $1,744 in balance, and I have got paid $8,802 from this program so far. So let me show you an interesting thing here from my earning report. And if I click here, and then if I select previous month, and let's click on run report, just take a look. From one single conversion, from one single affiliate, I have earned $182, and many of my affiliates, the people who have been watching my videos, joining Fiverr affiliate program through my affiliate link, are earning money as well. Here we go, sub affiliate commission, and if I scroll, just take a look, another 140, 87, and here we go. If I take it to the next page, here we go, sub affiliate commission. You guys are making money. That is making me really happy while I'm earning as well. Here we go, sub affiliate commission, and some other good commission from one conversion. All right guys, so this is how much I have earned. It was $721 that I have earned from Fiverr affiliate program last month in February 2024. Now let me show you how you can promote your affiliate links through blogging without owning a blog. So first of all, I'm gonna show you a trick how you can generate articles. So let me take you to ChatGPT, or let me take you to Gemini by Google. So this is another AI writing tool by Google itself, and let me show you something. Let's ask Gemini a question. Let's say, is it possible to rank an article on Google if I write it with AI? For example, with Gemini or ChatGPT. Let's ask and let's see what it gives me as the answer. Is it possible? Here we go. My question was, is it possible to rank an article on Google if I write it through AI? And here is the answer from Google's product. Yes, it is possible to rank an article on Google even if you write it with an AI tool like Gemini or ChatGPT. However, simply using AI doesn't guarantee good ranking. Here, what you need to keep in mind. So basically, here's what they have written. The blog content quality should be good. So obviously, you have to take a look, you have to read the blog, whatever it has written. Then if anything needs to get updated or changed or modified, simply modify them yourself. And here you go, human oversight is crucial. Obviously, they are also suggesting we should give our attention to the content, whatever it is being generated. If needed, modify, and then focus on user experience. So don't just try to make the search engine happy. Try to answer the question for which a person is reading your blog. So whatever tool you were using to generate the content, read the answers, read the blog, and see if you are someone who was looking for the answer, if the answer is satisfactory for you. If it is, then there is no issues to rank your blog post. All right, so it was the answer from Google's product. So obviously you can read more details from here. So basically, yes, we can. Now, let me take you to the platform from where you can post blogs without owning a blog, which is Medium. So I'm gonna take you here on Medium. In some countries, For instance, I was in Bangladesh, I wasn't been able to open this website with my internet service provider. So I changed the internet service provider, then I was able to access this platform from my country, which is Bangladesh, but now I'm in the UK. So maybe if you were facing any issues with, let's say, accessing this website, simply change the IP with a VPN. It should work. All right. So this is another trick as well. So let's say after coming here, simply you have to click here on write and another website. So what should I write? Now let me take you to, let's say, ask public. So answer the public basically. So I'm gonna open this up, and this one is from Neil Patel, one of the marketing geniuses, and I'm gonna make a search for a topic. Let's say, as of now, my product is Fiverr affiliate program. So what Fiverr does, Fiverr is a let's say freelance platform where client can hire freelancers to get their job done. So I'm gonna make something, let's say, hire a freelance video editor. Let's say video editor. Let's see what kind of questions people are asking from United States. So basically you can select other countries as well. So I'm gonna go with United States and select English. Let's click on search, and basically from here you can select Google, Bing, YouTube, Amazon, so you can see specifically for that platform what are people using to make a search to get the data. So let's just see, and I'm gonna click on accept from here, and thanks, I got it. Let's go a little bit down, or actually below. So here we go. We have got some questions. Look, how much do freelance video editor makes per hour? That's not the question that we are going after. How much does it cost to hire a video editor for YouTube? So here you go. This is a question that could be really trendy. Like, many people are coming to YouTube on content creation, isn't it? So maybe some of the people are interested to hiring a freelancer. So answer this question. Not only that, if you spend some time, like how much does it cost to hire a video editor? This is another question. How much does it cost to hire a book editor? So another question I found, though I came to get idea about video editing, but here I've got about book editor. So if you just spend some time, you're gonna learn more. You're gonna find many questions like that. Simply change the topic, change the subject, and you will get more questions like this. And if you scroll a bit down, you're gonna find many other questions as well. So anyways, I'm gonna select this question as of now. So I'm gonna click here, and if you just take a look here, you'll be able to see like hiring a YouTube video editor. How much do YouTube editors make? So you can see what kind of content people are writing. So open some of the content, get some idea, get some notes, and finally what you have to do, simply copy this and go to either ChatGPT. So I'm gonna use ChatGPT as for this example. So I'm gonna type out, let's say, write an article of around 1000 words about the following topic. My topic. Okay, and make it informative and share Fiverr as a resource from where people can hire a video editor. So this is my command here for ChatGPT. I'm gonna copy this one and let's click here on send message. It's free to have an account in ChatGPT. So just take a look. I've got the title here and it is writing the, let's say, content. Now let me take you to Gemini, and I'm gonna do the same here as well. I'm gonna click on new chat and I'm gonna give the exact same prompt. Let's hit enter, and it's gonna populate another content for me. Here we go, finding the right fit, cost associated with hiring a video editor. So basically from two of the platforms, you're getting the cost breakdown hiring a video editor for your YouTube channel. if you want, you can create 2 accounts here on Medium, and for the same topic publish 2 content. So basically, just take a look. We have got the introduction, we have got some details like title, subtitle, sorry, the heading 2 most probably. Then I have got a detailed information, then we have got another detailed information, another one, another one, another one, and so on. So just take a look. We have got an organized blog post already. So basically, we have to spend some time on reading the content and see if it is answering the question that we are looking after, going after. And if something we need to update, we have to update, right? Same for Gemini. So I'm gonna show you how you can add your affiliate link. Just a second. So basically, here we go. The rise of YouTube has so this is basically a nice one, I guess. So here we go. We have got this one as well, which has provided. So here we go. Fiverr, popular platform for hiring video editors. So instead of fiverr.com, we're gonna add our, let's say, what it says, the affiliate link, right? So I'm gonna copy this one first. Let's say the cost breakdown. I'm gonna paste it exactly as it is, but in your case, I would obviously gonna suggest you to spend some time on reading and updating the content if needed, okay? So that it will be quality content. And copy and paste here, okay? Now we can simply put these numbers like scope of work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me put these. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically customize this to make it reader friendly if needed. So most of the time it just works fine automatically, okay? And then after that we have got the Fiverr here. So we're gonna go to Fiverr. Here we go, Fiverr. So I'm gonna make it bold, and then I'm gonna add my affiliate link right here, okay? So this is important. So let's go here to your affiliate account, whatever platform you are working with. Then go to marketing tools. Then let's go to default and deep links. And after that, you can choose whatever program you want to go with. So I'm going to go with this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So let's copy this one and let's go to here and double click and then click on this anchor link, paste and hit enter. It is going to be linked here. So if you want, you can add the link on this one as well. Here you go. Then you have got this one, paste. All right. So I have added already in 3 places the same link. So I'm not going to do this again. So this is how you can basically, let me just complete this post. So let's say after 5th, we have got browse service review. So we've got 6 of them. Let's go back. So where is the browse service? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's see. Yep, it looks good. Now what I need, what else I need either a video or a photo. So I'm gonna get a photo now. So let's go to, let's say, Pixels is one of the platform from where you can get free images or videos. So I'm gonna say, let's say video editing or video edit or video editor, whatever. So I'm gonna simply, let's say, drag this one. This one looks good, but let's see if I can find something else that would look nice. Let's say this one, okay? So it looks nice. So I'm gonna get this image and I'm gonna get this to medium or the large one. Let's select this one so that the quality will look much better. And after that, let's say I'm gonna say hire video editor. Okay, let's go back here and I'm gonna put this right here, the image. So I'm gonna click here on the plus, then click on image, and here is the image. Okay, now if you want, you can add a video as well. For instance, let's say after Fiverr, I'm gonna add a video. So let's go back here. Sorry, not here. I wanted to go here and let's select videos and let's skip video editing. I should be able to find something here. So here you go. So I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna get the link. Let's see if we can embed this from this link. Copy and go back here, then the video, paste. Let's see if that works. No. So basically what we can do here, we can upload a video on YouTube, or we can embed a video from, let's say, YouTube, Vimeo, or other video link and press enter. So I've basically provided other video link and it's not working. So from some platform it might not going to work. That's perfectly fine. So in this case you can simply get a YouTube video URL. Let's try something from, let's say, YouTube. Let's go to my channel and let's say I'm gonna embed this URL just as an example. Let's go paste. Yeah, here we go. From YouTube it's working, right? So I'm gonna remove this one. So it was just to show you the way how you can do that. So after pasting all the information, after putting the content, simply click on publish and then give this the topic. So it should be SEO optimized as well, like SEO title. So video editor, hire video editor, video editing. Okay, let's keep this as it is and let's click on, if you want you can schedule this post for later publishing. So I'm gonna click on publish now so that the post will be published now. Alright guys, so here we go. I have got this post. If you want you can share this post on let's say Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So I'm gonna copy this link so that let's try this and see if it's gonna be visible to worldwide people. Here we go. We are being able to read this information. So now if I scroll, anyone, whoever want to get information about, let's say, hiring a person, they should be able to find our affiliate link here. If they click to visit Fiverr, here we go, they're gonna get our visit Fiverr, and then they can make a search for, let's say, video SEO manager, voice over social media, or they can type out video editing, video editor, whatever, and they're gonna find people or the services, right? So this was how you can publish a post on, let's say, Medium to generate affiliate commissions. You can do the same for Gemini as well. Simply copy and paste all the information, and if needed make some adjustment on the, let's say, text, and then publish the content, and the content will be here. Now people will start, let's say, clapping, people will start making commenting, and this Medium website does have a good domain authority score. So obviously it's gonna get ranked faster, and many people read blog content from this platform itself. And just take a look, if I take a look here, 10 minutes of read, a long blog. So here we go, common side effects of not drinking. Google has finally something here. Then let's see if I can find something about let's say money. I'm gonna make a search. Many people make a search like that, how to edit video, just as an example. We should see, like, people have been making videos, how to edit videos like a pro with this, so here you go, 354 claps, and then many other people. So same, how to make money. If I make a search, people are making searches, people are making content, and here you go, to make money on Medium, 2.2k claps. If I open this up, then many people are using ChatGPT from the writings as well. Many people are using this free opportunity to post content, and they are making money from affiliate products from this platform as well. I'm gonna make a video on how you can make money on this platform specifically. So yeah, so this was it guys. I tried to provide you information I believe you have found, and if you did, please give this video a like, and feel free to check out other videos about Fiverr affiliate program on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna attach the links into the video description. And if you have got any question at all, please feel free to let me know by commenting below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.